GTR.
Well, to tell us more about the McLaren Senna GTR, please welcome the Engineering Design Director, Mr. Dan Parry Williams. Hey Dan, you're a very happy man right now, aren't you? Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really exciting day today for everybody at McLaren.
So let's talk. You and your team are responsible for the P1 GTR, the Senna, and now the Senna GTR. It's an extraordinary looking car, hugely impressive statistics. So what are you most proud of?
Well, as you said, this is a GTR, and a GTR is all about lap time. And lap time is all about power to weight ratio, lots of mechanical grip, and lots of aerodynamic downforce. But this car has over 1,000 kilos of downforce. That's over a ton of aerodynamic grip.
Okay, so how have you achieved it?
Well, when we started the design of the Senna road car, we always knew we were going to do a GTR version of the car. So we set ourselves these extraordinarily high aerodynamic targets. And in order to achieve that, we had to instill in the base car a number of key features which clearly inform the exterior design of the car.
So let's look then at the similarities, those aerodynamic features that you've just been discussing. Can we start at the nose?
Yeah, well, the first decision we made with the road car and the track car was to take the luggage compartment out of the front of the car and put it on the inside of the car. And the reason for that was to liberate space in the front of the car for this extremely aggressive active air system that we had in mind. More obviously, you can see both cars have this very squared off large front splitter. And that generates a lot of downforce. We evolved it from the road car to the race car to be even bigger and more aggressive in shape. And it works because air is trapped on top of it, pushing the splitter down onto the road surface.
Doors are pretty special too, and again they've moved from road to track.
Yes, it's the same door, and we pushed the door in on the road car as far as we possibly could. And perhaps surprisingly, we did this for front downforce as well. The way it works is this: the front splitter with the active elements actually works like a wing on a Formula 1 car, except we have active control of the elements, which gives us a lot more power on the aerodynamics. The air's drawn underneath the front splitter, expands into the wheel arch and generates suction, pulling the splitter down onto the road. But that air has all got to get out somewhere, and it gets out through this slot between the door and the rear of the front tyre. The bigger the slot, the more the downforce.
And you mentioned the tyre, that's one difference, isn't it? The tyres on the GTR are wider.
Yeah, the GTR has this fairly slick tyre, which is wider, as you say. It's also spaced out for even more mechanical grip, and actually slightly further forward to maximise the size of this slot for the aerodynamics.
And just another difference is that you won't have the glass panel on the glower door on the track car.
No, that's right. Actually, substituting the glass panel for a carbon fibre one saved us 2 kilos. May not sound very much, but
to you.
Remember I said power to weight ratio, 2 kilos is 1.5 horsepower. So it's well worth having.
That's what. Okay, the glass house, let's take a look at that now. Tell us about that.
Yes, this teardrop shaped glass house is low drag shape. And we've evolved this from P1 through the 720S and now the Senna and the Senna GTR. By having this low drag shape, it helps top speed on track. Also, it means that the rear wing can work in the best possible clean airflow. And you can see we have flush glazing on the side of this as well as over the top surface, thanks to the small ticket window on the side. And this actually helps with cooling. So the air is smoothly forced around the side of the windscreen and aims down towards the radiators in the side of the car.
The doors, both cars, are both cut into the roof.
Yes, that's right. Cutting the door into the roof this way tray actually liberates space inside of this streamlined shape by being able to remove some of the structure. It also means it's easier to get in and out of the car, so that's really important when you've got a helmet on.
Oh, but of course it is. Can we talk about the rear now, Dan? It is sensationally low.
It's really low. It's the lowest rear deck we've done so far. And again, that's there for aerodynamic reasons, to reduce drag. It also means the rear wing can, again, work in best possible clean air. You can see on the top of the rear deck, we have these really aggressive looking louvers. They're not there for show. Nothing is there for show on the McLaren. These louvers actually suck the air through the radiators and improve the cooling performance even further. We've enhanced the active aero control system between the road car and the track car, and we've physically moved the wing much further rearward on the car, which generates a lot more aerodynamic load on the rear tyres.
Okay, coming back to the tyres, as you might expect, they're wider, the track's wider too, though.
Yeah, this is obviously to balance the extra mechanical grip that we're generating at the front of the car on the GTR. So we've spaced these out, again, they're wider, as you say. And you can also see now this enormous rear diffuser at the back of the car. And this is necessary to balance the extra aerodynamic grip coming from the front of the car.
And Dan, few design engineers, I'm sure, would ever tell me that they feel that they have achieved perfection. I know you are very proud, though, of what you and your team have achieved with the Senna, both Sennas, but particularly GTR, because this is still in development.
Yes, I don't know if anyone at McLaren ever thinks they've achieved perfection, because we're always striving for the best. But I am very proud of the team, and there's no doubt that as we're in development, we're still chasing more and more performance. There's so much more to come from this car. We've already got more than 825 horsepower and more to come. So, to be honest, it's going to be, without doubt, the fastest McLaren sports car on track that we've ever built. And that's thanks entirely to the passion and the enthusiasm and the energy and the talent of the team we're working.
So your thanks to them today. I'm sure Mike's going to join us. There he is. Hi, Mike. Another man that's got a smiling face today. Now, the Senna sold out before it had even launched in December. So I'm looking, this gentleman over here looks particularly keen. If he would like to put an order in for the GTR, can he still do so?
Theoretically, yes. Probably best do it today. We've already had a considerable amount of interest from customers who've anticipated this variant, and we've limited production of this car to just 75 units.
Okay, and this is not the end of the news for the Ultimate Series?
No, we've already announced a car that we've codenamed BP23, a three-seater centre seat homage to the iconic McLaren F1. And it's a car that takes the Ultimate Series in a very different direction. It's a hyper GT car. And you'll see that car before the end of 2018.
Mike, Dan, thank you very, very much. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to all of you too, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.
Thank you very much.